Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are playing a game. Oh, hey, look, just jumps straight in there. A game called Urbex, I believe is short for Urban Explorer. So I found this game on itch.io, and those of you who know itch.io will know that there are plenty of indie games on there to play. So we're going to get straight into this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be playing this completely blind, so I don't know much about it. I've just taken a Unity game and I'm playing it. V1.0. Okay. Looks fairly nice. I can see a lot of flickering lights. Nice effect. Okay. The water dripping down the walls. So what have we got then? Boxes. Broken shelves. I think I've got to be looking for something, surely. What else is there? What's this? What is that? Some kind of fuse? Oh, okay. Taking whatever it is. It's very spooky. It's very spooky, isn't it? I like how it kind of the flickering light. I like that. I like it. There's some the post processing you can see on here. It's quite nice. Look around the edges. You can see it's slightly distorted. It's kind of cool. So what's this? Okay. Oh, I can see outside there, look. So I'm guessing I can't go that way. No. What have I looked in here? I haven't looked in here. What's in? What's that? What was that? Door? Can I open it? Nope. Must be something in here. Otherwise, why would the room be here? Oh, what's this? Key. A key? Yeah, it's a key. Okay, so does it open this door? No, I guess not. So there's got to be something somewhere I can use to open it. What's that up there? TA. What is that? Don't know what that is. Can I go through these shutters? Does the key open this? Nope. I like the slight swaying torch effect as well. I think for an indie developer this does look quite nice. Not over the top on the post-processing, not over the top on the normal maps. A bit low quality texture on the floor, but hey. It's alright. See? See? There we go. What's in here? Locker. Something gonna jump out there at us. Do you reckon? Should I go near it? No. Nothing. Okay. Okay. What's this? That's where the fuse goes. What's that? What was that? Was it the shutters? I think it was the shutters. Can I run? No, I can't run. Okay. Okay, something's going on. Something's going on because I can hear stuff. I can hear stuff. Ah, the shutters are open, yeah. Look. It's dark in here. What we got? Cans? Can I pick them up? No. Okay. Boxes of cans. Looks like someone's been living in here. Maybe. More lockers. Can I open it? No, I don't think so. Don't think so. Can I jump? No. Okay, so what's through here? Look at the water running down the wall. I like that. What the hell was that? Can't see anything. Okay. There's another fuse box there. Okay, so I need to find another fuse then, don't I, to open this? Okay, so let's have a look around. Let's have a look. I may have missed one somewhere. It's not going to be on the floor, is it? That'd be silly. Maybe it's on a shelf somewhere. Maybe. Look at those wooden pallets. Nice. So I'm not sure how long this goes on for, to be honest, guys. I really don't know. I do like that water effect down the wall. I really like that. It's very nice. So I'm not seeing a fuse anywhere. I don't know whether it's me. I get the impression it should be in here somewhere because we've just opened it up, but I might be wrong. Maybe it's through that red door we saw earlier. Was it in here? Through there. Can I open that now? No. Okay, so it's not through there. It wasn't in here, was it? Because we found the key there. So, what's in these boxes? No, so nothing in boxes. I didn't miss anything here. Can we go through here? No. Okay. Don't know whether it's me, but it's getting darker in here. I swear it's getting darker. It is, isn't it? It's getting darker. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Something just peered out at me. Whoa. The hell? Something with... It looked like it had blue eyes. I just caught a glimpse of it then. Oh, that was freaky. That was freaky. I started down here, didn't I? Yeah, because there's that V 1.0. There's nothing here, is there? No. Okay. So the last place for me to go is back in this room. Can I take the original fuse? I cannot. Oh. Well, that locker wasn't like that before, was it? It was stood up. It was stood up. Ah, and there is the fuse. Okay. Something's going on. The atmosphere's changed. Oh, whoa! The hell? Oh god! Look at that mannequin. Oh my god, there's more. This kind of reminds me of the Evil Within. The mannequin. Mannequin's creepy. Look at it. Do you know what would be even creepier? If this head kind of turned to look at you. That, oh man, that would be creepy. Why is the alarm going off? What's going on? Oh, I can't get back in there now. Whoa, look at it. There's something really sinister about these mannequins. Really sinister. Oh, that's what it is. It's an alarm. Okay. I think I really need to get out of here fast. This is getting a bit creepy now. Oh, whoa. Did that just appear? Or... I don't like these mannequins. There's one there as well, look. Is that going to come to life and get us? Do I have a gun or anything? No. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put the fuse in. Okay. I'm through. Is there anything in here? Apart from a mannequin being dismembered? So I've got to escape here, I'm guessing. wonder what the context is as to why I'm in here. Really don't like their mannequins. They are creepy as. Is this the way out? It's got to be the way out, hasn't it? Oh, okay, it's cutscene. Okay. Run. Running. Go! What? Oh. Ah. N. Oh, man. I'm starting to enjoy that there. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm guessing that is the end. It must be like a demo. That was pretty decent, to be fair. It was a bit slow to start with, but I think it's got quite a bit of potential. I'll leave a link to this game in the description below if you want to try that yourself. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Don't forget, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Loads of content on this channel. And you can even learn how to make this kind of game and better just watching tutorials on my channel. Yeah, guys, so thanks very much for watching. That was Urbex. See you guys around.